Hello guys, I am Devashish Mishra and I have made a project in data analytics using World Happiness data which I am going to explain. So let's start. What is data analytics? So data analytics is the science of analyzing raw data to connect conclusion. This conclusion is represented in terms of graphical data which is for better understanding. So it can be used for determining trends and market change of industry. We can take example of social media platform which takes data reliability, user preference, user community, gender interest, etc. In the data analytics mechanism, there are various operations performing. First of all, collection of data, then manipulating of data, then visualization of data, then interpreting the appropriate result. To become a successful data scientist or data analyst, there should be strong knowledge of mathematical statistics, ability to understand data, data wrangle, good understanding in software tool like RStudio, Jupyter Notebook, Anaconda, as well as good knowledge of programming skill like Python, R programming, etc. There are many scope of data analyst in multiple fields like healthcare industry, finance marketing industry, research purpose, etc. It is the brief discussion about data analytics and scope of data analytics. So I am going through R programming part. What is R programming? R is a programming language for statistical computing and it is graphics supported. There are many packages in R programming like dplyr package, ggplot2 package, data.table package, shiny package, xml package, etc. R is used for statistical inference, data analysis, machine learning algorithm, etc. Now I am taking world happiness data in Excel format, how it can be used for data analytics through R programming, that can be I am showing. This is my Excel sheet 2015 world happiness data. I have opening this. This is country and then region, then happiness score, then standard error, then economy, GDP per capita, family, then health, life expectancy, then freedom, then trust, government, corruption, then generosity, then diversity residual. One structure of data. Then we have close it. Then I am going through R programming, RStudio, opening RStudio. This is my code I have written. First of all, dplyr package, install this, call this dplyr package. Then I have stored read csv 2015.csv world happiness data in store into db variable. Then I have this variable, viewing this variable. This is my happiness data, world happiness data. Then consider data does not have any error. This is the region of the data, Western Europe, North America, as well as. Then I have create new column for classification purpose. This column value is NaNA first of all. Then I have entering NaNA column to Australia first of all. Then North America, then Europe, then Africa, then Asia, then South America, then I have showing vivid variable. This is my new column continent. The store in Europe, North America, Australia. I have Asia as well as then there is average number of numerical data continent wise. This is my average data. Then this view variable HP, then store into HP, then viewed variable HP. This is average data in my continent wise. Then I have call ggplot package to plotting purpose, then choregram package, then choroplot package. This is the summary of the data set. Then head of the data set. This is the few element of the data set in this is the few element of the data set in bottom. Let's graph the mean of data all continent. This is the graph view of data. I have zoom it. This is the graph between happiness score and happiness score count fitness. This shows Australia and North America highest happiness score and Asia and Europe least happiness score in the according to count fitness. Let's find it correlation of variable in the data set. This is the square format of the plotting of the data set. This is the number format of the data set. Plot the data set. I have created box plot region wise. Then I have plotting the this box plot region wise. It's amazing. This is region between happiness score. This is box plots of all continent. In the between happiness score, this image occurs North America is better happiness score and Asia is least happiness score in the continent. Then regression for all continent. This is the life expectancy in the form of happiness score. Let's for economy. This is the economy GDP per capita between happiness score. This is freedom for happiness score. In the performance of life expectancy. This is the scalar plot of family health life expectancy in the form of happiness score. This is occurs. This occurs. Asia is the least life expectancy. Then trust in government. This is the plotting image. Trust in government in corruption between happiness score. Then plot unhappiest places and notice in blocks plotted in the form of box plotted. So it is the happiness score of region and countries in box formatted. Then we have visualized the data world happiness report. Less sub-Saharan Africa is most happiest unhappy region. Then I have another column added, happiness meter into data set. And assign the variable of Southern Asia and Sub-Saharan Africa, Australia and New Zealand. This is the happiness meter neutral, happiest neutral. Then I have plotting the life expectancy for happiness score. This is the happiest country, and this is the least happiest, and this is neutral. Then I have plot for economy. This is a plotting image for happiness score between the economy of our GDP capita. Then I have plotting for family. This is the happiness score between family. This country more happiness, this country least happiness, this country have neutral happiness. Then I have plotting for generosity. It is the graph between happiness score between generosity. Then I have plotting for dystopia residual. This is the happiness score between dystopia residual. This country is more happiness between, in this country is least happiness, this country and neutral. etc. Now I have plotting the I have called the RW R world map, so that I have country value in data frame store into data frame, and economy GDP per capita store into value. This is the store match. Then I have joined to the all country. Yeah, amazing. It is the world map of GDP 2015. This grow to 0 to 1.69. Then I have a map for health expectancy. This is the world map of health expectancy in the year of 2015. So thank you.